rotate and how it's some shit like that.
Yeah. Like you gotta think ahead. You gotta think about the next like 5 moves first, and then that's just a lot.
I've tried so many times. I'm over it.
Yeah.
I started to go through the window.
It would be a miracle if I solved it.
Right? No. It don't take a miracle. It takes common sense, but I can't do it.
I think it's more than common sense.
I ain't gonna lie. My dad said I had sense, but not common sense. So I'm just gonna not one. And I'm gonna go with what he said.
Yeah, it won't take a miracle.
No worries.
It's always a way
Yeah.
to do something, a specific way.
Yeah. And patience. That is not my virtue.
There you go.
Most Creole people do not have patience. We're very hot
I
topic.
had to learn patience.
Yep. And once we
I'm
start
very
trying to
patient
around,
now.
you better hide it.
Yeah, I think I've been doing good on my patience.
Yeah. Did you ever mind that on your journey as an entrepreneur or just in life?
That's recording. I got enough time lapse and everything, so it's just recording.
It has a memory card in it?
And then I can download it to my phone and then send it over.
Show y'all the show. So, I'll figure out.
For a second, I thought the Hispanic people was about.
But I'm gonna leave it here with you.
It's not
They
a
were like,
chopper?
oh, they're also
Just
the
this.
big pass.
I'm gonna leave it here with you.
There's some piercings in here, and they stopped for a second. I thought I was gonna have to come get somebody. Like, but I think somebody wants a piercing. It's not very blunt.
I'm good with it.
Yeah. Yes. Like continuously.
Oh, let me show you something really quick.
It's okay.
Well, yeah, we've been recording the whole time. You in here, don't worry.
Oh, gee, I never shut up.
You're funny.
Oh, you see how.
I think you pointed it down. You got problems?
I don't know because I have a. Oh, yeah.
get a tripod that moves.
I'm gonna get a H tripod, so you can just have it like that.
Oh, it looks cool.
I'm gonna put it back on.
Man, these people getting lazy. Why is the power button the same? But all the buttons, it just be one button. Like, all right,
One
hold
button.
it, press it 3 times, press it 2 times with one finger, or
Right, I gotta remember all this. Why would it just have different buttons?
And then you gotta scroll it up this way for something, scroll it down this way for something.
Do diagonal, go to the left, make a turn. Like, come on, y'all doing a lot.
Did you learn about the camera work just on your own?
Yeah, I just.
AI, like transitioning between pictures, I guess. You know what I'm talking about?
Like somebody, like you give them a picture or something and they turn it into like an AI thing.
Yeah,
Or no?
like it turns into an animation, but it'll be going between like.
From one click
I
to
don't know
the
how to
next.
explain it. Yeah, they make it easy to run with it.
I think I know what you mean.
That's what I mean. The
Yeah,
camera
no, I don't
on the
know.
side.
I missed something, I'm sorry.
It wasn't what we was talking about. I'm saying the camera on the side right here. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay, I got you. I was telling her I could've gave you these, cause
Those
they're
are the
meta glasses.
ribbons.
Oh, you have to.
So you
They
could
only record for 2 minutes though, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Nah, you don't need that hour.
That's fire though. I need to get some of those.
Go to Facebook Marketplace first.
See, she recording all this on the low.
Oh, no, that's.
That's what it's doing. As soon as they dropped them, them weirdos got a hold of it.
Not the
No,
weirdos.
a light comes on. Look.
They got tape over it like their glasses.
Oh, I do see the light. Okay. That's cool though. I need to get some. Cause it'd be like little random stuff, like, you know?
Or just
Yeah.
little BTS.
Yeah. And then it's literally point of view, like,
And if you wanna know what something is, it can tell you too.
really?
Yeah, you just asked it, it'll tell you what it is.
It has like a speaker, you can connect it to your phone. Okay, see, I'm playing. I need to go get some of those.
One thing I'm learning is that there's never too much when it comes to like this content creation. You know,
Mhm.
renaissance that we've been having, whatever you want to call it.
I agree.
I was watching this one dude and he was like, people always thinking like, should I make content like this or like this or like this? He was like, the answer is and. So I'm saying or.
Do it all of it.
Yeah, all of it. Post all of it.
Yep. I need to start posting more often. Like my engagement be going down because I don't post as often. Like I'll post here and there. And I've noticed now that definitely makes a difference. So it's like as much content as you have, just drop something. Like a little clip of something one day, then you can use the other angle another day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So the way this comes out, it comes out in clips. So this will probably be like, it's a big clip too, so it'll probably be like, 14 or 15
Yeah.
parts of your story. And that allows us to be able to drop like every single day.
Right,
And this
right.
shit helps, it helps a
Yeah.
lot with how it keeps it moving forward instead of just kind of like, just doing shit and waiting on shit to happen or whatever.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You said you slacking on, because most of your business is in person, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't, it's